Hi there, students. Didactic or didactic. I think didactic stressed, didactic unstressed. Okay, didactic is an adjective, didactically the adverb. Okay, if something is didactic, it's designed to teach. It's designed to teach people something, particularly a moral lesson. So, yes, you can find didactic literature. Um, okay, so didactic, something that is intended to teach, particularly something that has a moral undertone. Um, Didactic, instructive, instructional, educational, informative. You can also use didactic in a negative, disapproving way, in the manner of a teacher, but when the teacher is particularly patronizing. Didactic in this way implies that I, the teacher, speak and you listen. There's nothing of this flip learning approach, but the old-fashioned way. The teacher speaks and the student learns. So it's an approach that the teacher tells people things rather than letting them find out for themselves, or rather than letting them discuss things. Okay, so didactic. I think the second one, this second usage, is probably a lot less common, and I think didactic most commonly is something that's instructive, something that's intended to teach or to demonstrate. So I guess you could call my channel a didactic channel. He spoke didactically to the students. His story was didactic. I quite like Aesop's fables, and these are clearly didactic, with the idea of teaching something with an ulterior motive, with some sort of moral idea. Then let's see, didactics, the art of teaching. So, art, I think, very definitely has a didactic purpose, but I think it can also be beautiful as well. So I think it covers both things. So, didactic, instructive, educational, enlightening, edifying. Yeah? And then in the other meaning, this critical meaning, maybe pedantic, pompous, schoolmasterly. Yeah, he has a didactic tone, particularly when addressing women. I wish he wouldn't talk like that. Okay, so didactic. Something that's supposed to be instructional. Yeah, so I hope this video is didactic and helps you understand the meaning of this word. As to formality, I would give this word 6.5, maybe even a 7. I think informally, educational, teaching, instructive, something like that. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, or a semi-formal writing, or something very formal. And then as to origin, it comes from ancient Greek, didaktikos, taught or learnt, from didasko, I teach. Okay, so didactic, designed to teach people, intended to teach or demonstrate. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Didactic.